I think it's over there. Yeah, because look, that goes to Stavanger, that one. Because I can read it. Praise be good. Huh? Yeah. Hurry up. Would you do this again? Yeah? Yeah, very. Ej, pusle.
Speed up like that and then we move it up like that anyway.
Hey, you keep yours down in the left side. Left side.
There is a rope as well, you see it on up here?
Yeah.
Pull yourself up.
Alright.
And also to raise up if it's, so that's much easier. Take it with your paddle if you cannot. It should.
Yeah, that's a good thing you're doing that.
If you take it between you a little bit up.
We have to go back and line it up. Wait, keep going, and now turn. Oh wait, I should turn as well. Oh no, wait, I'm doing the wrong way. No, other way. No, wait, yeah, you were right.
No, I was right.
No, bruv. Yeah. It's not gonna work. Hold on, wait. Let me reverse. I paddles the wrong way. No, that does. Yeah, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Yeah, keep. No, wait. Keep going back. Okay, now go forward. Just like parking a car. Hey, get speed up it. Hey. You just paddle forward, I'll do the rudder. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Oh shit. Oh no.
Try to get the roof and pull yourself up. I can come up well. See there? I'm coming on left side.
I thought we were going to drop
Coming
there.
on left side.
Innit?
Arms.
That's a pro. That's a pro right there. Oh, this. We done so well not to fall. Oh, thank God. Pull yourself then.
I'm just pulling that so I don't be pulling so much that the back is soon destroyed.
Oh, yes.
Every day 10 times.
Oh, thank God. I really thought we were going to drop in there. Like, we done all this way to not, and then boom.